Hi Leigh, this is the same truck I sent you a video on yesterday. I got our technicians to put it on the hoist so that you could see the skid plates. I don't see any evidence here. Surface rust on the differential, but I don't see any surface rust at all on the skid plate package here. So I hope this is helpful to you. Yeah, I think a lot of these packages are put on for protection. But as far as I can see, it does not look like it was driven through the bush. I can't see any evidence of that myself.